Hi, boys and girls. Oh my goodness. You know, I already recorded this lesson for you, so it's going to be a little weird. My silly iPad just ran out of space. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start over. I was mentioning that you are going to get a packet like this, a page like this. You're going to cut out the squares with your scissors. And then you're going to place all of those inside of a baggie. Now, I don't want you to do it yet. We talked yesterday about when the amount is the same. Like I have the same amount of fingers in each hand. This hand has 5 fingers and this hand has 5 fingers. And I told you about my friend John who has 6 fingers on one hand and 5 on the others. On the other. Does he have more fingers on one hand than the other? Yes, he has 1 extra finger on one of his hands. More is a bigger amount. Okay, so am I more years old than you? Totally, I'm a lot more years old. More is a bigger number. So we're going to take our little things and we're going to not look, we're just going to swish our hand around in there and we're going to peel out 1 card. 1 elephant and 3 giraffes. Which number is more, 1 or 3? 3 is more than 1, right? 1 is just 1. 3 is 1, 2, 3. So there are more giraffes than elephants. How many more, though? Well, I can cross out 1 giraffe to match the elephant. How many giraffes are there still? 1, 2. There are still 2 giraffes. I have 3, which is more than 1. Stick these guys back in here. Don't look. Draw out 1. 5 monkeys. Oh, and 3 giraffes again. Which one is more? Which is the bigger amount? 5 is more than 3, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. But there's still how many more? There are 2 more monkeys. If I cover 3 for these 3, I still have 2 monkeys. 5 is more than 3. Now this is an activity that you can play after you do your worksheet. I would like you to keep these cards, pinch it till it clicks, slide from there, and then you can put this into your math bag with your die and your 5 frame. Keep it here at school just like you did with yesterday's activity. Now this is where it's kind of messy because I kind of already did the work. The worksheet is asking, do I have more chickens or more eggs? So what I did is I drew a line from a hen to an egg, hen to an egg, hen to an egg, hen to an egg, and I ran out of eggs. I still had 2 chickens. They didn't get an egg. So are there more chickens or more eggs? Well, it seems like 2 chickens more. So I'm going to circle those chickens because there are more chickens than there are eggs, right? Then I went down and I gave the dogs a bone. This one got a bone, this one got a bone. Oh no, 2 dogs did not get bones. Do I have more dogs or more bones? I have more dogs. So I need to circle my dogs. There are more dogs. Poor doggies. These 2 guys did not get a bone. Now I need to put a fish in a bowl. Fish in a bowl, fish in a bowl. Oh no. I have 2 more fish than I have bowls. There are more fish than bowls. It's a larger number of fish. So I circled the fish because there are more fish than bowls. When you finish that today, you're going to rainbow write your numbers. And take your time with this. I think sometimes we like to rush, but the thing is, You guys have been writing the numbers from 1 to 5 now for a while. So you should be starting to look like experts. What that means is that your writing should be getting neater, not sloppier, because you're in a hurry. And remember, we all said at the beginning of the year that we would do our personal best. So take your time writing your numbers. Then on the bottom it says, illustrate the correct number of scoops. Well, my first ice cream cone has how many on it? 1. So I'm going to make 1 ice cream cone scoop. I just do it like that. Next one says 2. So some of you might choose to make these very pretty and colorful colored in scoops. You might even try to design the perfect ice cream cone. I know that I know a few people who, when they get ice cream, they actually get different flavors. Like they might have 1 scoop of chocolate and 1 scoop of vanilla and 1 scoop of mint chocolate chip. They get different kinds. So 1, 2, 3 to match my 3. Keep going. Now remember, you got to put 5 on this last one, so save room. Your math papers today can go into your mailbox to go home. Please keep your game in your math bag. And I hope you guys have been excellent for your teacher. I will see you again on Monday. I'm sure that I've missed you, even though I'm doing this before you get a chance to be without me. But I hope that you guys have been really good and that you have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday. Bye.